I had a dream, and if you are seeing this message, I trust that you are meant to receive this. In the dream, the angels showed me that somebody is offering someone a proposal. So this could be you offering a proposal, or somebody is going to be proposing to you soon. It's literally written on the chalkboard in white chalk, will you marry me, yes or no? So there's something very old school about this love, very childlike, very innocent. This person could be very nervous to come forward to you. If you don't feel like you're at that marriage point yet, this is just a strong indication that the person you are connected to is desiring of having that future with you, and they are making plans. This is somebody who's very thoughtful, very innocent, and very pure when it comes to their approach to you. They are not afraid to kind of look foolish in order to let you know that you are loved. This person has not felt this way, I'm hearing, in such a long time. It's like the part of them that has felt this way before was like this inner child version of them who thought that would be so amazing to connect to a person in a way that was so strong that I have that desire to marry this person. And that was so long ago, like I'm hearing like 10, 15 years ago. And so this person connecting to you and finally realizing or having that thought of, oh my God, I am going to marry this person. Like this is a lifelong commitment is kind of a big deal. You're kind of a big deal. This person is going to take their time. I also see a heart drawn on a tree outside the window here. This person is going to take their time. So that could be a sign for you. They're going to take their time because they want to make sure that you feel loved and you feel cared for in all of this. So they're going to be very strong with their communication, with their actions towards you, the way that they show up in this world for you. They're never going to allow you to feel as if you are not worthy and as if you are not important to them. And because this is something that is so lifelong, it's going to require patience on both of your part. It's going to require trust, and it's going to require mutual respect and joy around surrounding getting to know one another, because this person genuinely they just want to be yours. Like they just want to be with you. There's something very shy about their energy, especially with the proposal coming through in the dream that I had. It's just very shy. Like they don't feel pressure when it comes to you. They just feel giddy, like they feel happy, and that happiness is like, it's bringing out their inner child. So you might even feel your inner child wanting to come out and play more, or at least just explore your inner child a little bit more. I feel like you're both going to have the opportunity to explore your inner child a whole lot more. So I'm going to tune into this just a little bit further. God, angels, what is it we need to know about this love connection? Okay, I'm literally seeing the picture of two people at an altar space, literally like surrounded by heart energy. I'm also seeing swans, so swans could be significant for you. You could see a swan or hear the word swan out of nowhere. Swans mate for life. I don't know if you know this, but swans mate for life. And so this to me is a symbol of mating for life. I'm also seeing like Italian cookies, like traditional Italian cookies, or Sweden may be significant as well. So traveling together, pinwheel cookies for some reason is what's coming through. So you could have grown up with those in your childhood. I'm seeing Christmases baking together. I'm seeing memories being made. I'm seeing Thanksgiving, Friendsgivings, like hosting events together, having a lot of reasons to celebrate together, and also just a lot of intimate moments of like cuddling and just being physically present with one another. There's going to be so much room for the two of you to expand your energy together. Like it's not physical. Everything that you're doing is energetic. It's so much deeper than the physical. So you might even feel like you see this person beyond the physical, and they are also feeling that they see you or feel you beyond the physical. You are meant to, like, I'm hearing take over the world together. You are meant to do something very powerful. You are meant to build something very powerful together. And I'm being told that Spirit is going to give you absolutely everything that you need in order to do that. like everything. If this isn't already presently in your life, it is going to be so soon. Like I feel that energy, like a looming energy of like something coming in or coming forward, or just leaning in even more, like leaning in even more to this love connection. So if you've been feeling that, this is simply your confirmation. I trust you to always take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If you feel called to dive in further to your personal love connection, I offer angel readings as well as angel energy activations. This can help you to reprogram your mind, connecting you to your thoughts and your feelings that are going to help manifest the desired outcome. So if you are interested in receiving any of what I have to offer, click the link in my bio. All right, without giving too much away is what Spirit is guiding me to say. Without giving too much away, you have a surprise coming. Like, an out of the blue is what I'm hearing. Like an out of the blue offering. It's actually more like a blessing. It doesn't feel like an opportunity. It doesn't feel like a chance to collaborate or work with someone. It literally feels just like a blessing landing in your lap. It's almost like maybe like a sum of money, or like an experience, something of value is going to be added to your collection is what I'm being told. So maybe this is like a new venture for you, but again, it doesn't feel like the energy of like a new opportunity. It literally just feels like something being handed to you, like a gift, like a treasure, something of value being handed to you. But this gift, this valuable treasure, this is going to change everything for you. It's going to be like what I'm being shown is like the entire world is going to come to see this treasure. It's really interesting because what this treasure feels like, it's just like pure energy. Something about this energy that can't be found somewhere else. So it's like all of these people like are coming to you for this specific gift. And I'm hearing you can't find it anywhere else. Like it's not something that you'll find in another person's hands. Okay, and what I'm being told is that it's being gifted to certain people in this world right now. It's like a select number of people are receiving this gift, like this treasure. And it's like a responsibility for something as well as what's coming through. So not everybody is going to receive this gift, but if you're seeing this message, I trust that you are meant to receive this. It's something of value that people around you are going to come to you to see, not even to take from. It's like just to observe, like just to see, like to witness. It's like witnessing a miracle or something. It's really interesting because it feels like something physical. Like it doesn't feel like a download. It doesn't feel like a level up of like a psychic gift. It literally feels like something physical, like that you're going to be gifted. It does. So this may require one other piece or like one other part or one other person to this gift. So maybe that resonates with you as well. Why am I being led to share this with you is what I want to know. Because it's not supposed to come as a surprise. It's actually supposed to be something that you prepare for or something that you plan for. Because there's certain things that you need to do. It's like, it's almost like getting your ducks in a row or like organizing your life in a way that supports this gift. Wow. So luxury living is immediately coming through my mind, but it's also just like the way you experience life is about to change. Like the way you move through life, how people view you. I really do see you with like a partner in this for some reason, or like a person, but it's not a collaboration. It's not somebody outside of your circle. It's not somebody new coming in. It's somebody you already know. But it's like, it's really interesting because it just feels like something that's like going to happen for you. Like it's not really something you have to try for or change for. It's like I'm hearing it's just going to fall into place. So trust is really big right now. Like trusting this feeling that you're getting, this like intuitive feeling that something is about to change, but it's nothing to be scared of. And it's nothing, like I'm hearing like it's nothing that you can't handle. Like it's something major, but it's nothing that you can't handle. And not just handle, but it's like, my God, you were born for this, is what I'm being told. Like you were literally born to receive this gift at this specific time with this specific person. And your life moves forward from there. There's a lot that's about to change for you because of this gift, because of this value that is being added to your life. Like a lot. Get ready for this. This is huge. You'll feel if this is for you. Get ready for this. I'm very excited for you. I'm very excited for whoever this message resonates with. As always, if you feel called to dive in further, I offer personal sessions, and I also have tickets available for my full moon ceremony coming up this month. So if you feel called, you can click the link in my bio, and I look forward to working with you.